Let's now look at how we can calculate the incomplete gamma function, igamma. And following this, we'll also look at how we can compute the upper regularized incomplete gamma function. So for this, we'll create two tensors. First tensor is A. A is equal to tf dot constant, and this has the values 1, 2, and 3. And we have another tensor x that has the values 0.5, 1, and 1.5. Finally, we can calculate the value of z by typing tf.math.igamma a comma x, and then we can print the value of z as z.numpy, and this gives us the output, which are the calculated values for igamma. Now, in addition to this, we can also calculate the second set of values that we talked about, which was upper. So let's type this first: tf.math.igamma t, and this is upper regularized incomplete gamma function. Gamma function q a and qax. For this, what this is going to be, again, this, let's add another node there below this. What this is I gamma c of a and x is equal to 1 minus I gamma a comma x. And if we copy the same lines of code that we just used, paste them here. Now what we can do is we can calculate the I gamma, which we have here, and we can subtract this value from 1. And once after we do that, we will get an output that is this output, and then we can try and see if we get the same output when we use the I gamma c. And when we run this, we do not need the 1 minus there, so let's delete that and run this again. So as we can see, we get the same set of values for the I gamma c in both the cases. That was it for this video. I hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you.